INART seeks to bring humans and nature together with as much logging and furniture production as needed. Adding a single piece of furniture can achieve the coexistence of humans and Earth. INART is a furniture brand that allows humans and nature to coexist, creating a stepping stone for humans and nature to coexist through INART's unique logging and furniture production. Based on the craftsmanship of creating wooden furniture for almost 30 years, INART creates sophisticated and long-lasting natural furniture through our unique dyeing. INART continues to exchange between humans and nature through furniture that resembles nature. Nature-resembling INART furniture. INART, headquartered in Daejeon, Korea, is inspired by the unique atmosphere of nature and makes furniture with a better design. We are working to improve quality and customer satisfaction by identifying customer needs and producing furniture by conducting daily meetings to discuss ideas that satisfy our customers. INART sells furniture of various brands that customers want, and our employees guide customers who come to the store. Andy Series, with sales of 200 billion won, is INART's steady seller brand. Andy Series always portrays a luxurious atmosphere with furniture of beautiful patterns, providing happiness in your daily life with unchanging firmness and comfort, and naturalness resembling nature. INART, where you can see and feel products resembling nature, including the steady seller brand Andy Series. INART, a single piece of furniture that connects nature and people with the heart of seeing the forest instead of the tree. Now is the time to be with nature with furniture resembling nature.